Greetings. I have decided kuti ndiite A na B as examples, then you rewrite your work. Saka question yedu iri kuti, number 1, read the following vernier caliper measurements. The scales have been enlarged for easier reading. The vernier caliper is calibrated in metric units. Saka kana chiti metric units, in this case, we are referring to millimeters. So how are we going to read? Part A, zvatinoita ndezvekuti firstly we have to appreciate kuti how do we take readings on a vernier calipers. So we discussed earlier kuti what we do is, in order for us to take a reading, tinenge tichiti isusu main scale reading, the main scale reading plus the vernier scale reading, the vernier scale reading. So takatarisa panapa, we have to take note kuti main scale yedu ndeipi uye vernier scale yedu ndeipi. Saka tiri panapa, we see kuti this is going to be our main scale, then kascale kadiki kanaka ndiyo chi vernier scale. Sando zvakakosha izvi, since tataura isusu kuti our reading equates to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading, what we need to do next is determine what the main scale is, then we also determine what the vernier scale is. Saka taziva kuti main scale ndeipi, vernier scale ndeipi, chatakutanga kuda kuita ndechekuti tiri kuda kutarisa isusu our main scale reading. Pa main scale reading takati, what we do first is we take note of the zero reading on the vernier scale. Saka zero reading of course ndiyo first reading. Saka vernier scale yedu ndeino iyi, this is the zero reading. So mistake yamaiita pandatarisa your work ndeyekuti you were thinking kuti this is the zero reading. No, haisiyo zero reading. Zero reading ka first note katinako kanaka. Then taziva kuti zero reading ndeipi. Takati the main scale reading is going to be equal to the most immediate point before we get to the zero reading on the vernier scale. What do we mean? Takati susu, kana tichida kutsvaga main scale reading, tichatarisa this point. Tirikutarisa a point kana kuti reading iri just before the zero. Saka zero yedu ndo ino iyi, watatarisa left kwedu, so tarisa pa main scale taona kuti this point ndiyo irichi just before the zero mark on the vernier scale. So we look for a mark which is just before the zero mark on a vernier scale. Chirikuti, we look for a mark on the main scale which is just before the zero mark on the vernier scale. Saka panapa, our main scale reading, katungenyora panapa, is going to be equal to, katarisa tichaona kuti tiri kutsvaga this handiti, point yandanongedzerai. This is 3 millimeters. And of course, this is 3.5 millimeters. Because tikaverenga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th point. Saka, kana iri 3 millimeters, this is 3.5 millimeters. Then, first point after 3.5, of course, is 3.6. Saka 3.6, your point, iri just before the zero on the vernier scale. So our main scale reading is going to be 3.6 millimeters. What is our vernier scale reading? So takuda tsvagachi vernier scale reading. Our vernier scale reading is going to be, takuchitarisa manje main scale yedu ne vernier scale. Tazvitarisa toda kutsvaga a point inoita directly coincide, kana kuti kuma marks twakanangana. Saka panapa tikatarisa chaona kuti ino iyi ndi 0 handi, iyi inenge iri 0.1 millimeters. Ende ndifaina mukatsokorodza the video where we were explaining how to take the reading on the vernier calipers. Takataura isusu kuti chinonzi vernier scale kudivide a millimeter into 10 equal parts, kureva kuti every point inenge iri pavernier scale inenge ichirepresenta 0.1. So this is actually 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so forth until we get 2.9. Saka tikada kutsvaga zvinhu zvakanangana panapa, we see kuti actually point ratiri kutsvaga ndeino ishi, because mukatarisa kamaki kari panapa pamain scale kedu kari kuenderana nemaki iri pavernier scale, zvakananzvana. Therefore kana takutsvaga manje tinenge takuti isu 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 kureva kuti vernier scale reading yedu ndeyani ndi 0.4 millimeters. Saka kana takuda kutsvaga our reading tinenge takuti main scale reading plus vernier scale reading, kureva kuti 3.6 plus 0.4 mukaedha izvi you are going to get to 4.0 millimeters. So tikaedha these two we get 4.0 millimeters. This is our reading. Alright, I hope you understand. Let us go to part B. Saka part B manje taona kuti this is our 0 because this is the first point pavernier scale. Then tadaro totarisa point iri just before, not just after but just before. Saka iri just before of course ndeino ish. Then this is 2 millimeters, 2.1, 0.2, 0.3 kureva kuti our main scale reading akandingoti MSR main scale reading yedu iri equal to 2.3 millimeters. Okay, then panapa takuchitarisa pavernier scale nemain scale takuda kutsvaga mapoints ari kuenderana, ari kuita coincide, and after some scrutiny taona kuti it is this point. Saka this point inenge iri chi E0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saka our vernier scale reading is going to be 0.8 millimeters. Saka edha izvi ndokuti tiwane reading yedu 8 plus 3, so it's 11 to carry 1, 2 plus 1 that's 3. Kureva answer yedu panapa it's 3.1 millimeters. Saka ndaita A ndikaita B. I hope you understood. Now what I want you to do is I want you to rewrite your homework including A na B. Just rewrite everything, then we can discuss from there. Take note that our next lesson is going to be covering the micrometer screw gauge, but our policy is hatibvi patopic kana tisina kuiunderstanda sufficiently enough kuti zvikabvunzwa in ZIMSEC or any other examination we have a chance of getting it right. So thank you for your attendance and take care.